Presenting the 2026 Ford F-350 Super Duty single rear wheel four-wheel drive crew cab, finished in a stunning carbonized gray metallic. This XLT trim is powered by the legendary 6.7-liter PowerStroke V8 diesel engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic TorqShift transmission. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are hauling gear up the Sumas Mountain backroads or heading to a heavy-duty job site, this truck makes a massive statement with the black appearance package, featuring 20-inch black gloss painted aluminum wheels and a tough bed spray-in bed liner. The FX4 off-road package adds essential skid plates to protect your investment when the pavement ends and the real work begins. Short pause. Inside, the medium dark slate cloth interior is upgraded with the XLT Premium package, giving you heated front seats and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for those long hauls across the valley. You will also appreciate the convenience of the 360-degree camera package and the PowerScope trailer tow mirrors, which make maneuvering this heavy-duty machine effortless in tight spaces. This F-350 is built for serious work with a 12,400-pound gross vehicle weight rating and factory-installed Upfitter switches for all your auxiliary gear. It comes winter-ready with a rapid heat supplemental heater and an engine block heater to ensure the PowerStroke V8 diesel is ready to go, even on the coldest Fraser Valley mornings. Many buyers ask about the safety tech included for towing heavy loads, and this Super Duty delivers with the blind spot information system, trailer brake controller, and trailer sway control as standard equipment. These features, combined with the anti-lock braking system and advanced track with roll stability control, provide ultimate confidence while navigating the Trans-Canada Highway with a full trailer. From its rugged carbonized gray metallic exterior to the advanced Sync 4 technology inside, this truck is the pinnacle of Ford capability and modern comfort. Come see why we are the top choice for truck enthusiasts in British Columbia. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.